I don't need anything. It's just showing the little bit of stuff. What's up, guys? Welcome on Why Pre. It's your girl with another video. Okay, so today I can't see. I can't see. So today we're moving my friend into her new apartment. It's actually an apartment that I wanted to be in, but the move-in time and date wasn't lining up with my time at my apartment. So we've been out here since 12. Y'all, it's 7 o'clock. It's been 106 degrees here in Texas. You feel me? So we already picked up her TV. She's been staying with me for 2 weeks. I feel like I said that in the last vlog. And so today's the 1st of August. So she's in there like swimwear. We've already gone. There were some minor issues. We got them fixed already. Light bulbs changed. She's getting her couch and all that stuff off my Amazon storefront. Y'all, Amazon storefront, I will have that linked below. Yeah, it's hot. It's still hot. I'm dressed like this. It's still hot, right? So now my boyfriend just came. So ew, that is so gross. I don't say my boyfriend, but he came, and so he's gonna help us go pick up this TV stand that we found. It's great. And then we're gonna head back to her place. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all a little vloggy vlog because I know y'all like the little apartment tours and stuff, but this is not my apartment. But I'm gonna show y'all things whenever the couch come. I'll show y'all us putting the couch together. She's getting an orange couch, I'm getting a different couch, and we're ironically getting the same couch. We're locked in like telepathy. We don't even be planning these things. Anyways, let's go. We're already at the storage place, so no, the U-Haul place. So let's go. It's not that I want you here. She got the key. Here's the one we're going in.
Is this thing right here?
How you unlock this?
You just wind it down.
Her door. I don't know how you unlock this. There you go.
It's an old school car.
Alright, y'all, so we're here. Why you upset? Chill up. Man's down there asleep. Oh, she's right there. Come on, it's just her. So we're at their apartment, so let's go. This is the complex. It's so nice. Let me guess, you know somebody here?
Yes.
Who? It's given resort. It's given I should be moved. Well, y'all, we looked at it and it looked mini, so we're not taking it because her wall is too big. We need something else. So now we're gonna go to the storage unit. Okay, Muscle. We can see the sweat in the back. Yeah. Now how you want to share the seat with me? Okay, so we're done. It was done in like 15 minutes. Now we're going to the next location where her friend's holding her stuff to get her mirrors and other stuff. Let's go. All right, y'all. Do you see this? We are done. We just unloaded the truck. So on the last run. So let me see. There we go.
I wonder what this.
What's what? This was good. We did this in a time we met. What, you need a tour? We did this in a absolutely. Alright, y'all, time for me to check out because we gotta go get her car. Yep, wrapping it up for the night. Alright, y'all, so I just got home. It is 10:47. We got home at like 10:30, and it's like I'm cooking dinner for that man and them kids. I don't got no kids, but I'm cooking some beef, steak, calamari, and some broccoli cheddar rice because my man wanted to go get something to eat, and I was like, you know I don't eat outside like that, and I'm scared of, first of all, the chicken breast, chicken anything, that cut that out. So unless I go to the farm that is in Wiley, Texas, and pick my own chicken, whatever animal, I don't want it. I've been getting thighs. I usually go to the Asian market and get something, you can pick your own meat and they cut it up right there for you. So I don't want no foolery in my food, so I was like, I'll just come upstairs and cook something real quick. And I have cookies. My oven is already going, so I'm gonna make cookies and we'll have some ice cream. As y'all can see, I didn't even change yet. So let me finish this up. He's outside checking on my car because my car shut down on me again last night when I was at his house. I was leaving, I was at Walmart, the car shut down again. So now he's out there working on my battery again. So let me wrap this up and have dinner on the table probably by 11:10. Okay, there it is. And no, it's not burnt. There it is. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, tell friends to come up with everything. Teash. Peace.